Hey, it's Davion and welcome back to my channel. So, I have a slight apology to make that I actually forgot to film last week and actually completely forgot to even upload. So there was no video last week and this one is obviously late up because I'm actually filming it on the day that it should be basically uploaded. But unfortunately that is how it is and you're going to have to deal with it, okay? Thank you. So today, oh my god, I'm dying! Today, I am going to be doing a quick look and review on the conspiracy. We've got that palette, that's already been up a couple of videos ago. Tag it in the description. On the mini controversy palette. My friend bought me this for my birthday and I have literally been living for this palette already. Oh, my camera is doing weird things. What is this doing? And I have used this already, but I am excited to show you. I got this for my birthday. What was 2 weeks ago. That's probably why I forgot to film. This is the palette. So I love the look of this palette. Like, look how stunning this actual whole design is. And then they open it up like, bitch, these colours, this look, stunning. Literally stunning. So today I am going to do a complete look, well, not a complete look, just the eyes with the mini controversy palette. If you would like to watch that and see me transform into a glamour toad, just keep on watching. So, I've got my mirror and I've got my first product. So, first I'm going to prime my eyes like I always do, but I'm going to just use the Revlon concealer in C6. Did have C5, but I ran out and this was the last one I had left, so I bought it. So, I'm just going to pop this on my eyelid. Ooh, girl. I always look ugly with these on. I'm just going to use my Kevin Aucoin brush as just a blender, just because I can't find my actual blending brush for my eyes. So I'm just going to blend these out. Girl, I've got something on my eyelid. What is that? I have got really bad dry skin on my eyes, just here and here. So every time I do makeup at the moment, it is really like picking up the pigment really badly on that part of the eye. So if the eye does look quite, it's because of that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am actually going to go in with now the mini controversy palette. So this palette is proper interesting. I love this palette. I love the colours they use. So I'm thinking to go for a smoky eye, maybe with a touch of blue, have this in the actual crease, and then have the highlighting on that, and then maybe a bit of depth with the flat earth in the corner. So let's have some fun with it and see how this one turns out. As I said, I'm going to go in with a blending brush. This is a bit used already, but ignore that. And I think I'm going to go in, with this cancelled colour. The only colours I've used so far on this is My Apology and Diet Root Beer. So let's try this. Oh wow, this colour's stunning. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know what I expected, but not that. That's what I didn't expect. So I'm just going to tuck that all in the crease. I'm just going to build it up. Girl, I did not expect this colour at all. Don't know what colour I expected to see, but stunning. So as I said, it has collected the product really horribly on the dry skin patches, but you sort of have to just deal with that and get used to it. I have, so that's my little thing. Now you have laid down, cancelled what was the colour in the corner. I am now going to blend out the outer corner. Much more fluffier brush. I'm going to use Flat Earth on this one, just because it's a really nice, neutral, like, light blue. So I'm going to use Flat Earth. I'm just going to blend it with this brush very lightly over the top of cancelled. Girl, if you can hear a noise in the background, it is actually my heating. It's making weird noises. So once you have blended that all out, I am now going to cut the crease. I told you this is going to be a simple eye, bitch. This is going to be a simple eye. I am going to go back into my concealer, what is the Revolution. I'm going to just pop it onto the back of my hand. Never know how much I need because I've got fat ass eyelids. Go in with my little flat angled brush. Sorry, my other flat brush. And I am going to cut this crease. So now I have lightly cut the crease. I'm going to go back into Cancelled. And I'm just going to lightly dab that on the outside of the cut of the crease because it is a bit messy. So I feel like this is a very icy look, very sultry. Well, it's hardly sultry, but you know what I mean. I'm just going back in with Flat Earth. And I'm just blending that out a slight little bit more because I just fucked it up. And last but not least, I am going to go in with the Simulation, which is this beautiful, rich, vibrant blue. I'm going to go in with this brush. Yes, it is a bit like red, but I'll find a way. So I'm going to do a couple of strokes. Oh, that is pigmented. And then I'm going to press it onto my eyelid. So there is a slight bit of fallout, but that is how much I'm packing it on. So I'm going to go back in with a blending brush and I'm just going to blend all of the actual fallout on the eyelid back into the crease of the eye. This just gives it a much more sultry, much more blended look. Oh, this has turned out better than I expected. So as you can see, here there is dry skin. And here there is more dry skin that hasn't picked up any of the product. So it is looking slightly more, should I say, messy than it normally does. That is literally because I just have really bad dry skin on my eyes, and there's literally no other way of saying it. It's really hard to blend with dry skin in your eyes. If anyone has a remedy for this disaster, please would you comment down on below just to let me know the exact remedy for that one. Fabulous. So there are the eyes done. Next, I am going to go off camera and I'm going to do my full face. Foundation, contour, concealer. Then I will come back and I will do my under eyes, my mascara and my lips. And maybe a little bit of highlight, of course. But I'll be right back. So I have done my foundation, my concealer and my contour. Now I am going to go back in with this fluffy brush and Cancelled at the bottom here, and I'm going to go underneath the eye now. Ooh, stunning. I'm really liking how this is turning out. So once the under eyes are done, I'm now going to go into the inner corner. And I'm going to go in with this pointy brush. I don't know what it's called. This is a pencil smudger brush. I'm actually going to go into a bit of gold. I'm going to go into my boyfriend's purse. What is this very much as goldy, I don't know really what colour it is, like a taupey gold. I'm just going to put this in the inner corner. So I don't know how this is going to turn out with it in the inner corner, but I need a bit of bling in it. Actually, that looks pretty nice. It's changed the whole look. Oh, I'm really liking that inner corner. So there is my boyfriend's purse on the inner corner. So I really like this palette. Like the colours in it are so vibrant, so beautiful. I am living for this look. And it's not even finished. So next it needs mascara. Has to have mascara. So I'm going to be using my Burberry. This is in the colour Jet Black. So this is actually one I got in that travel kit. But I love this. Like, it's a proper bendy wand. You can see it. Stunning. This is one of my all-time favourites now. It makes your eyelashes look incredible. Like, I absolutely love this mascara. I just need to buy the full size now. This mascara is stunning. I have just bumped my eye at the top here, so I'm just going to go in with this brush and just give it a little wipe over. There you go. That gets rid of it. Oh, it's splattered on my nose. So with that mascara, it makes the eyelashes look stunning. Like, girl, them under eyes, I am working it. Like, girl, so beautiful. Next, I'm going to put on some highlighter. So this highlighter is the Skin Frost, but this is in Mystery Frost. I got this in the Halloween mystery box. This is now one of my go-to highlighters. As you can see, it does have a small dip in the middle from where I use it literally every single day. I love it. I can wear it on bare skin, wear it with like nothing. Oh, it's so pretty. Just like, ooh. My lighting isn't that great, so you don't see it that well, but oh, it's so beautiful. So that is done. So the last thing I want to do is I want to do my lips. For that, I'm going to be using The Gloss by Jeffree Star. I haven't actually used this on a TV show, on a video yet. So this one is in Sky High. It is so pretty. I thought this would be the perfect colour for this whole look. I don't have a lipstick that would go with this whole look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this very disgusting, dirty thing and I'm going to take off the foundation off my lips. Beautiful. And I'm going to go in with the gloss. Oh. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god, I could eat this. It smells so good. Oh, look how glossy it is. Oh, girl. It's not sticky. It's not icky. Girl. Oh, I'm living for it. So now, this is going to be the final look. Let me just get some accessories on and some lashes on. And I will be right back. And voila! I am done. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching this very strange, belated, week late, maybe a 2-week late, depends on how long it's... Oh, the diamond is coming off. So yes, I thought I'll go a bit more mysterious, bejeweled. And I thought these jewels are literally matching the colour of my eyes. So I thought, perfect. Yeah, I hope they all stay on. Girl, they better stay on. Because I've got some photo shoots to do after this, honey. But yeah, thank you everyone so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I have gained quite a few since I restarted my channel. So thank you everyone for subscribing. Please carry on subscribing, liking and sharing these videos. Will be amazing. But please don't forget to follow my Instagram and my Twitter down in the description. Yeah. So thank you everyone for watching and I will see you on the next one. Oh yes, also comment down what you want me to do because one needs some inspiration, darling. Some inspiration. But thank you everyone so much for watching and I will speak to you next week. Bye!